Makwaba Edeba Attention TV sema etwego e social media semont na me be so ma we so me na be kayensa edifi Captain Smart akachi we ana wo chire ma chire se kam yakoye se the Armɛd Robbɛrs for waga na me mu hase ya opese wo assassinate journalist for the kam yakoye se edoso papa eye fi se enche ye bia ana yete se Kofi Adoma wani adodo na nim na Kofi TV ankrofo ekoto she ne so a e ka nyame nko a ketekete na we ana Captain Smart so e chire ma chire se kam yakoye se from bi ekotu share the workers for bi no eso na wo hwa na ono ana na wo hwehwe fi say time no na enye wone won enam ofofa anyoma bi a anka hu hia na so waka ode nkra e de akwa mo say enyoma mo fa ni na omo ntimi enyusu fi say o ma log out and the log out kra so a ya block eno tinyoma mo fa ni na no wo mu ntimi enyusu no pa de wasan so kire o ba bi a wasan beko omo pe na ombra na omo bechi no efa ko ba bi a wo pese omo de no eko yenko take Captain Smart ensem embracisia
woman the foil efa glass no mu pia gum nse bia ngu abonteni na kogu inside laptop a media general atama GH boy omofae. Now watch this. I left some papers our car no back seat wo ye ba ya me hwe na me kae omofa a small bag bia ye be kwa Cape Coast momra se mama ye hu se mo ye nkwasiafo ti e be chom se edibinyansa chen mo Cape Coast mmejimi e moja benyunu nipa o Cape Coast babodama e be chom se abodam chen mo. Somebody did something to my driver. I mean, then I saw stains of blood. You better do fear no. Let me say no. I need to do chemical tests. I want me car no. Eti me kofa litmus test paper. And I'm a fat car and I saw a very white.
Hi, this is Stacey. I'm watching. Keep on watching GH Page TV. Yes, I watch them. Yeah, you know sometimes now you do some sort of stuff, but I still watch you. Keep it up and love to all of you. Abusa for social media trends so any mamunyina makwaba na ensema betojwa eni say Armɛd Robbɛrs attack Captain Smart ema che say omo breaking into the car ama the driver no da car mu onua TV mo no mo yedwuma na bi mu car nim so no omo nyina da na ho a che so mo call ne car nim no omo fa ne iPad omo fa ne sika omo fa ne bag ana niema ewom omo fa ne mpaboa esan so fa ne socks enso nyina e de e kan ho na ochire mo so koduru fie no eno hu se na blasting e won car no ho na final substance means so e wo car no so say eno nti ena ma mo na ho a che sa brom ko wi omo no to me ehu na nsem kai nim de no wo hwere ne se onu nti e no be attack no ba no ma meto no no ene ma de sie esie e no de nsem chechemu nyina e de etodwa na ye ko akotie no aba no na meka nyina me ehu se Runa Organics na esias medwumedi we se yi ebrem Runa omoton organic cream nko a so ye tuntum ye kokko frem a omoto product be ma kama na so asrama ho ayefe ene omo ye caramel set or omo whitening set na omo half cassette nyina eboa ni padua na from so a omonkasa enu baby saw send your same color etem bisa questions and some recommended products in the amount now so you see amano abo na yenkwem na yenkoti ensem a Captain Smart e dia betuja ye ba ye beto aso
passenger side behind the driver no on pie glass no baby omonkasa de car no ko no GH de nim car no omo pie car no glass no laptop a media general atama GH boy omofae. Now watch this. I left some papers our car no back seat wo ye ba ya me hwe ya na me kae omofa a small bag bia na me de enema bi ahyehyem me nka na makona wum muntini use back kra of those things. We have blocked everything and we have logged everything. Omofa sa laptop no a GH boy niam nyina woso 2 omofa sa bag no ekoi eniam e wo bag nim eni sike wo bag nim no menga but it was taken away. Number 3 iPad we yes me na so yi now the one in I think say color B some blue black or say gray B gray yeah it's gray. And also them ye fakoi. Mistake ba kumbi aye round no. And only year round no. Omo fa steak ne koi. And I was shocked that me drive an auntie. Now Ye be do fie no, na me ka say no, I need to do chemical tests. I want me car no. Eti me kofa litmus test paper. And I made a fat car and I saw a very white substance. Baby ana me drive and say wa park car and then you na wa park car no. And I got some people to help me identify the exact location the car was parked. And me ko hu baby ana wa park car no. The entire driver and ko park car no, I don't want to know. Because baby your chance and car is no boy. Then you see. And I realized that somebody did something to my driver. Unfortunately, watch this. Evans, any Felix, because the entire from Saturday afternoon to Monday night, Felix Amabonting. I know I was the one you were looking for. But I mean, Kufuan for man ko Cuba, the South Africa kwa. Jimmy. And I know they did something to the people in my car. Because in the baby, the cab. Later, na kunya baby die. Okay? Monfa yemana mafadenko. Monfa sikanenko. Babu to be you anything you took. That's a fact. And I was shocked, sir. My slippers, ni my shoes, to cry on fire. Fire for socks, about kunja one socks to tum. Ukwashe. And they were able to break the glass in such a way. What you say? When the foil, glass, no mu pia gum, and say be ngua bontini na kugu inside. And honestly, I thought that imabwa. Then later I realized that no. Then I saw stains of blood. Our car no. Gordon car, omu breaking into Gordon's car. I down for you decent people. And you omu na ye di mu amoba ye mu amo yesu amoba ye no. Ya min tria moka. As I say, you see, baby, yekonya die. Sunday morning, mi ko tuka na mesre. Me am trimu na mesre. Because you do ya near the deflator. Asha me tie na say. But nipa me na man kan kire no. Near the deflator asha me tie na say. Saturday no Sunday no anajo so omu say no akwa no deflator na nya adwuma maka cho say menjimi menya kwasea Sunday na anajo ya ponye around 4:42 me baby ameko bia me tro me type obi nkasa asemsi a security agency no will be able to have records of everything and follow and investigate. Around 4:42, na mene Papa Shamoni DJ Wuli, the signing off. Me kono. No, I think it was the Saturday afternoon and evening. At boom. Me kwa na abe branch no a sheka inside. I see ho baby. Mr. Santoa. Mr. Godwin, Mr. GH, ask all of them. So I parked the car. Now me say come them into here compared to any aqua safari ready. Me call you na duane shase and I said, baby a dua say pa a bed branch say. I know you. To be shad any dean, I'm saying no. Say I be kwa I got to do something. It's Sunday morning, yebe movie car no. Let me who said deflator, she me car na say. Me stress To me de car no kwa nim kaka na me dane me nsa, na me dodge no. Me park car na me walk it towards my car. Me hear me answer me movie me car. Let me tell Nanado, Dr. Baumia. Actually, thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. Obetumi akọ kafra nem refisa oha kafra. Look, me can't trust me hu jawo ayana tete no obi ye bibi o se o twen na abehu ne se o abusuafo de ko ne se do me fa me hu jawo bia. And I know, you see, what was the table who still are planning to be for the up to Captain Smart so near Sanchino. You see, a chimney cry, me tell I'm a picture, say, you're the pan over Bre or Bio baby, and then maybe to near the second yashim.
And Chilemo, of course, one I say, you can't say, from what to share Captain Smart's workers for Nibiso, and our didn't the more Abesom Ghana for no. I will see her attention TV so. My main call was University Foundation and a summer snap. Manage Bedi Ebersom or attention TV said that bar and 054-8302985. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, that's